Hello there. Right now we're taking a look at potential derecho, but we're just gonna call it school mesoscale convective system, since that is what we're gonna probably see. At least that's what's confirmed right now. But right now we have a particularly dangerous situation. Severe thunderstorm watch 208. I wasn't really expecting to make a video like this today. I was expecting, but I have time today. So I mean, I kind of want to now, more obligated to now, but that's besides the point. But right now, we're seeing this watch indicating some pretty strong wording. A prolific wind event is expected to unfold in northeast Nebraska, going into southeast South Dakota, northwest Iowa, and southwest Minnesota. Pockets of significant damaging winds are highly likely, along with the potential for large hail and possible line embedded tornado or two. Widespread damaging winds, scattered significant wind gusts up to 105 miles per hour. We kind of have to bold that 105, since although 105 it's gonna be probably pretty isolated, but still, it's something you don't really see in warning text really commonly, and so we have a moderate risk though, across from basically where the PDS for thunderstorm watch is into South Dakota, even extending much further northward. So this is going to be quite a big time severe weather event. That's going to be ongoing in the next few hours. Take a look at 500 millibars. See, take a look at some noctic details right there. I think a really strong troughing right there, and right now that's ejecting quickly off to the north and east, and you can see that line right there. Kind of out in front of that, into the exit region, and take a look at 700 millibars we see, and a short wave a tiny bit just out ahead of it, and really will help initiate storms, that short wave, and 300 millibars. We see a tiny bit some defluent to loft, so some large scale lift has been ongoing. But take a look at the surface pattern, and we see around 1,000 millibar. We have a pretty broad one, but you can see one across central that's most well defined, and just move into the central plains, and we'll take a look at take a look at surface right now. So 93 over 68, 92 over 65, 92 over 68, 97 over 63, 92 over 68, 86 over 75, 90 over 68, 88 over 68, 85 over 68. So this is gonna be quite pretty well mixed environment, well mixed boundary layers. So we can see this by the SKU map. We see tons of boundary layer mixing, and so it's definitely not going to be. It's definitely not a good sign, but it's going to be easier. And we just got update. We have a first really 90 miles per hour severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Verdell, Sandy, Lindy, Center, Winnington, I think that's it, Verdigray, and Neobarra. I don't know how you pronounce that, but I guess it's confirmed. 90 miles per hour winds. No, it's radar indicated, but this is a really dangerous situation. Can't really emphasize that enough. And take a look at the Hodorap map. See decent full level shear, strong warm air advection. I think along the warm front, that's where really, if any storm is developed, you could be seeing a few tornadoes too. But But we see strong instability, 4,000 joules per kilogram, extending up to 4,500 to 5,000, 6,000 joules per kilogram in some spots. And let's give Team F fourth. You're seeing quite a ton of instability aloft. Take a look at downdraft instability, very high amounts, 1,500, 1,600 joules per kilogram. It's out ahead of it too. So steep mid-level lapse rates, fourth as well as in low levels, with mixing, of course. And take a look at normalized instability. We're seeing pretty fat K profile, so these updrafts are really going to be going. And take a look at satellite. We can see those updrafts really strong. We can take a look at. You can see a ton of those updrafts actually. You can see that line right there, and so it's gonna be quite. It's gonna be a big time. So I don't really know what else to say apart from repeating myself that this is gonna be big, because that's really basically the most obvious thing ever. But I mean, this is the truth. But I guess anyways, really apart from that, remember, really, if you're in Sioux Falls and the surrounding areas, Sioux City, or anywhere in the moderate risk in general, keep an eye really, and stay shelter. Get to shelter immediately when it's in close proximity. So that's all I can really say. But apart from that, that's really it. And goodbye.